In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Moz tool extension in Chrome. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Google is going to be your starting point for finding the Mozbar extension, which is a fantastic tool if you're looking into website analytics or SEO features, as it provides insightful metrics directly within your Chrome browser. Once you're on the Google homepage, enter Mozbar extension into the search box and hit enter. By doing this, you're telling Google to fetch all available information related to the Mozbar. This extension is offered by Moz, a well-known player in the field of search engine optimization tools, and should appear among the top results of your search. After your search results come up, look for the link that says Mozbar, Chrome Web Store, and click on it. This link will direct you straight to the official Chrome Web Store page for the Mozbar extension. Being on the official page is crucial because it ensures that you are accessing the authentic product directly from its creator, bypassing any risks associated with using unauthenticated versions. On this page, you'll now see the option to add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that button. This step prepares Chrome to add the Mozbar extension to your browser, making it available for use right from your browser interface. After clicking Add to Chrome, a dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm the addition of the Mozbar extension. It might ask for certain permissions as well, which are needed for the extension to function correctly. Rest assured, these permissions are typical for extensions that need to interact with web pages, so go ahead and click on Add Extension to proceed. Once the installation is complete, you will notice that the Mozbar icon appears in the upper right corner of your browser window, right next to your address bar. This icon is your access point to all the functionality that the Mozbar has to offer. And here's a little tip. If you plan to use Mozbar frequently, it's a good idea to pin it to the toolbar for easy accessibility. Simply click on the puzzle piece icon representing extensions, locate Mozbar from the list, and click the pin icon next to it. This action will make sure Mozbar is just a click away whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Moz tool extension in Chrome, unlocking powerful SEO insights directly from your browser. Now go ahead and explore all the metrics and tools that Mozbar provides to enhance your SEO strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.